Good morning, grade 2 students. How are you all? How is my grade 2 feeling today? I hope you all are feeling good, relaxed, your tummies are full, your minds are fresh. Yes, and I hope you must have thanked Allah in the morning. You must have prayed in the morning, right? You must have thanked Him for everything, for whatever He has given you. What He has given you such a beautiful life with such a beautiful parents, right? You have got so many different things or things, whatever you want, you ask Him and He gives you. So for that you need to thank Allah. You need to thank Him every day by praying 5 times a day or by doing something else. But praying is the first and foremost important thing that you all should do. You all should pray to Allah 5 times a day, which is a must, which is compulsory for all the Muslims. Right? Yes. Coming back to your work. Now, tell me, class, what was the topic that we have started? Can you tell me, or can you name the topic, or can you name the unit that we have started this week? Yes, that was Lara's letter. It was about Lara's letter. We were doing this unit. So what is in that unit actually? To whom did she wrote that letter? She wrote that letter to her mom and dad. And what she was telling in that letter? She was telling what she did. What she did with whom? Yes, with her auntie and cousins. She went for holiday with her aunt and cousins, and she told everything in the letter to her mom, right? So basically, she explained all the activities that she did. Can any one of you tell me what were they? What were the activities actually? Yes, she went to the park. Very good. Then she did swimming. Very good. She went for a boat ride, and there she saw some crocodiles, some dolphins, right? She fed the crocodiles also when she was in the park, right? Yes. Now, if you look on page number 55 of your book here, you can easily see the different activities that she did. Here she's on a boat ride. Here she's in the park feeding the crocodile. Here she is swimming. And here, when they came back to the hotel, they played cricket outside with some boys and girls and they made new friends. So, this was all that Lara did. And she informed her parents. Now, by what? By writing, through what? Through writing a letter. Yes, like I told you before, in previous in olden days or in 10 years back, before this technology, we all used to write letters, right? But what letters are actually? Yes, they are. They gives you information. Letters are about information. They tells you information. They gives you information about different person, what they did, where they go, things like that. And sometimes they also ask questions. So in letters, you may find information, which is mostly in most of the letters you will find, but in some letters you may ask questions also, right? So there are different types of letters, right? That you write. There are different types of letters too, but the most important thing in letter writing is the format. The format of all the letters are the same. I'm not talking about business letter. I'm talking about journal letters, right? Whether you are writing a letter to your friend, whether it is to your aunt, whether it is to your parents, whether it is to your grandparents, the format of the letter will be the same. It will be the same for whoever you are writing, the format will be the same. And this format counts a lot because in exams, if you are writing a letter and your text is correct, but your format is wrong, right? Your formatting is wrong, so you will not get full marks. Your marks will be deducted. your marks will be minus. So you need to learn that format. You need to know that format, right? Got it? So today we are going to write a letter. We are going to learn how to write a letter. So for that, what is very, very important is I have already written on my board. You can see that the first and the foremost thing is your address. The person, excuse me, the person who is writing a letter, he needs to write his address. Now, where the address is written towards the right hand side. This is my right hand side, right? So on top towards the right hand side, you have to write the address on top of the page towards the right side. So here is the my top of the page. So towards the right side, I'm writing here the address, and beneath the address, you will write down the date. On which date you have written the letter, that date you are going to write. See? So right hand side, address, below address, date. Then towards the left side, underneath the address, you will write down the name of the person to whom you are writing the letter, who the letter is to, whether it is to your friend, to your parents, to your grandparents. You will start dear, dear Zen, or dear mom, dear dad, whoever. Then write down, write down the letter by starting, dear, you can say, dear mom, how are you feeling? I hope you are good. I hope you are in good health. I am also enjoying. First, the first paragraph will be asking, that you are asking him how the person is feeling, and you are telling that how you are feeling. The next paragraph would be towards the main point, what the letter comprises of, what was the main point of the letter. Like if you want to tell him that you had fun with your cousin, so you are going to describe in that letter, in that paragraph. Lastly, you will write down, I hope to see you soon, your loving, whoever it is, your name. Lastly would be your name. Got it? So the first important thing is right hand side on top, your address. Beneath that, your date. Towards the left hand side, underneath the address would be the name of the person, then the matter, and lastly, you are going to write down your from and your name. Right? So now we are going to write the letter. First of all, you have to decide what type of letter you are going to write down. Are you going to write your letter to your mom or dad? No, your friend, or to your grandparents. Grandparents, you can say granny. So we are going to write letter to granny, and it would be about what? It would be what you did during a holiday, what you did yesterday, or what you did when you visited a relative. What you did yesterday. Okay. Now we are going to start learning how to write. Okay. So here you will write down, here this side of the page, you are going to write the name, the address. I'm not writing address, I'm just writing my house. Right? Okay. Then beneath this, you are going to write down, see towards the left side, right? Dear, dear granny. And after dear granny, you are going to put full comma. I hope you are good you are in good health, and so am. Right now, you have asked her, I hope you are in good health, and so am I. And you have told about yourself. I am having, no, I want to tell you that uh, that yesterday when I went to play in the park, there I saw few old people walking, and chatting. This made me think about you. Next time, when you will visit us, I will take you there and we both will enjoy. Right? A few things about the main topic, that was about what you did yesterday. Right? And lastly, hope to see you. Hope to see you soon. Right? Your loving, whatever your name is, and write your name. I'll write mine. So, okay. So this is how the letter should be. First message would be, Dear Granny, I hope you are in good health, and so am I. This is first line. Next line, I want to tell you that yesterday when I went to play in the park, there I saw few old people walking and chatting. This made me think about you. Next time when you will visit us, I will take you there and we both will enjoy. Hope to see you soon. Right? The lastly, you will write down hope to see you soon. And the last one is, your loving, whoever you are, your name you are going to write. It's very easy, but you need to remember the format, that is towards the right side, you will write the address, and under the address, I forgot to put date, you will write the date, and then you will start like this. This is how you will write letter. Okay, this is an informal letter, but formal letters and applications are written in a total different way, that you need not to worry about it right now. Right now, you just need to remember how letters are written. Few things are there that you need to remember, where the address, where the date is written, how you are going to start the letter, and how you are going to end the letter. Okay, so hope you have understood. You have written the letter in the same way like I have explained you, and you'll be able to do the homework that would be related to a letter, which I will mention on the portal. Do write in the same way like I have explained you, following the correct format. Okay, children? Alright, see you next time in your science lesson. Bye-bye.